Hello, STAR Math students. This is Miss McLean, and I am here to go over your weekly assignments and what they're going to look like and what my expectations are. We went over them recently, but it looks like I should explain it a little bit further so that there isn't any confusion. So I'm at the place where you need to be at each day during STAR Math. And so you can see we're at the math course. And every week you should at least work on ST Math or Dreambox at least for between 10 to 20 minutes alternating. You shouldn't only stay with ST Math or only Dreambox. Get out of your comfort zone. The other tasks that you need to be working on are going to be rotating, and you can see I have some things that are still unpublished. That means that you all don't see them quite yet. But the ones that are available to you right now are the would you rathers and which one doesn't belong. So let's take a look at the would you rathers. And what I'm going to do right now is I am going to view the course as a student who isn't in your group. Actually, let me take that back. A student who is in your group, because otherwise I won't be able to see some of the stuff. So let me try that again. All right, let's go with Jacob. Thanks, Jacob. All right. So here's Jacob, and he has a couple of these that he has begun, so would you rathers. And I'm not going to pick on Jacob if he has something correct or incorrect. I am just here to explain further what's going on. So let's take a look at this very first one. So, the bowl of grapes on the left or the bowl of grapes on the right. The bowl of grapes on the left or the bowl of grapes on the right. Bowl not included. Whichever option you choose, justify your reasoning with mathematics. This is really important. Comment on at least one of your classmates' responses. Please do not choose a bowl based on which one you like more. So right off the bat, what I was noticing when I was looking at your responses is I didn't read any math stuff. I like the one on the right because I like grapes, on the bowl, on the left because it was a whole grape. Really, it's not very mathematical. And then there's nobody who responded to anybody else. So let me show you what it is I'm exactly looking for. So you first need to analyze both bowls. Right here, I see grapes that are not cut in half. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grapes. Got it? And then over here, I see grapes that are cut in half. And 1/2 plus another half equals 1 whole grape. So using that logic, I know that I see 1, 2, 3, 4 whole grapes. So which bowl do I want? Do I want the bowl with the 5 grapes or the bowl with the 4 grapes? So I would choose the bowl with on the left because it has 5 grapes. See how I really talked out my math thinking? So my comment should be justifying my reasoning with math. I would choose the bowl on the left because there are 5 whole grapes. The bowl on the right has 4 grapes that are cut in half. So it looks like a lot, but there is actually less. And then I would post my response. So I can't really post for Jacob because I'm not really Jacob. But what I can do is show you all also that once Jacob has posted his response, He's supposed to reply to somebody. Why do you choose the bowl with the full ones? I don't understand your thinking. And then he would post his reply. So that's just one example. There are several other would you rathers. The gasoline problem is really tricky. I'll give you a hint. There are a bunch of numbers you need to add up to compare A to B. You need to read everything here and everything down here in order to get your correct response. I don't want to read things like, it looks short, or I like it because it's pretty. Those aren't math answers. You really need to come up with some math answers. You might need to come together to figure out some responses. When you're all done, check the grade book. If you got a 1 for your answer, you did it okay. If you have a 0 for your answer, you need to redo it in order to get full credit. That's the highest you can go. It's not an MP system. It's just either a 1 or a 0 for complete or incomplete. And if you get a 0, I do expect you to try again. I will be looking for that. So, as we go through more of these problems, they're going to get a little tougher. It may require you to work with your friends to get more responses that are accurate. And if you get frustrated, that's okay. Because at some point, that's why you need to recognize that's why you are in this group. So please go back, make some corrections, resubmit your responses, and work as a team, and good luck.